Hi, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach. On my last two videos regarding transition tips, I've talked about the value of a network. On my first video, I challenged you to identify your network. On my second video, I talked about the different types of ways to networking. One was informal networking, where you meet people unexpectedly, but being prepared to say something about yourself. And then formal networking, where you go to selected events and you formally meet people or employers at that particular event. Now, the third types of networking is what I call online networking or social media networking. Now, one of the things I want to point out very quickly is 97% of employers use social media to identify candidates or verify candidates that they want to interview. Yes, 97%. So employers are able to see you, and you are able to see and discover potential employers. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, social media. Now, not everybody is a big fan of social media. And here I am, the elephant in the room. And I want to tell you my story. All right. So let me begin with asking you a question. What would you do if the unexpected happened to you? What would you do if you lost your job? Now, I talked to a lot of my veterans in my TRS classes regarding this. What would you do if the unexpected happened to you? To me, the unexpected happened to me in 2008 and 2009. At the ripe old age of 57, I lost my job. There was 42 million people that joined me, or I joined them. You recall in 2008, 2009, it was the economy exploded. Millions lost their home, 42 million people lost their jobs. Now, age 57 is not a good time to lose your job. And it took me months to determine what to do next. And I won't go into all the details. But ultimately, I decided I wanted to become a career coach. I also decided I wanted to become a sales coach. And ultimately, I wanted to be involved in veteran community. But who knew me? Nobody. And so I was forced with a decision. How do I identify myself? How do I find people to see me or want to see me? You could knock on doors, but that would take a lot of time. So here I came. I decided I would venture into social media networking. Been a lot of ups and downs, I will say, but there have been more ups and downs. I will finish my story on my next video and tell you exactly how I used social media to build my career. Remember, you don't have to travel alone. I'm here to help. Reach out. Until next time, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach.